these tendencies or these small skills we're using our feet and our head and our hands are what elevates them from, say, a basic level skill drill to a pretty high intensity skill drill pretty quick. So let me get Brian or somebody down here quick to pass these pucks. And what I want is, I'm going to start with one. We're going to start with an exchange. Again, just two options, finding lanes to make this first pass. So nice and slow, I'm coming down, we're switching pucks, I'm retreating. Okay, as I retreat, I'm shifting out, I'm shifting back in, and I'm using this net to push to the middle if I'm a lefty. Since we have a bunch of righties out here, I want to see this move on the net. That same move we saw early on with Damlin and Hudson. He's coming in, he's going to be here, he's going to throw that front foot, pull back, and now he's buying a little bit of space. So similar to how a boxer uses a jab to create distance, we're using that front leg to kind of gauge distance, test that forechecker or that pressure guy up high, and to create a separation, but you're also putting yourself in a shooting position. So that's step one, that's puck one. After he shoots that, he's going to come back down, he's going to pivot, grab his second puck. Okay, very important here, I want him sprinting to middle ice. Sprinting to middle ice. And what I want to see on this second shot is his feet are going to stay square to the net. Sorry, his feet are going to stay square to the boards. And his body is going to rotate towards the net. Okay, so he's going to separate his top and bottom half. So he's sprinting across, and now, without this forechecker knowing, shot comes off. Okay, so as a lefty, it looks like this. It's very hard to read if he's going blue line to blue line, dot to dot, or if he's going to cut in. So he's sprinting, puck's on his hip, and he's letting that go with very little time for that forward or D who's covering him to react. That's puck two. Puck three, again, we're coming back down, handling that third puck, and here's the chance that we can be creative on the blue line. Little blue line mobility, and you want to give the player some freedom to work through this, but I would like to see a similar cutback that we used in the corner, right? A little punch, cut back, right? You can use that jab, fake shot, push away, and ultimately, as we get past this Big Ten logo, you're going to cut back and use the second player on line for a D-to-D pass. Now, what we talk about sometimes too is the blue line's there, and that's fine, but there's no reason you can't have your feet outside the zone and buy yourself another 6 or 7 feet. Okay, so if we can get our feet outside the zone on this sprint across, let's try and do that as well. So it'll look like this, he's coming across, maybe there's a delay here, he fakes inside, he punches out, puck goes across, comes back out of the zone, loses the high guy, and now that's his third shot. All right, so let's go through it a couple times here. We're going to exchange some pucks, get our feet moving, heads are up. We'll go through this one first. He walks, quick little jab, punches out of it, nice job. Second puck, he comes nice and low, walks the line, outside the zone, separates feet and body. Third puck, he's going all the way across the blue line with speed. Fake, D to D, he gets out of the zone to buy ice and time, and there's his third shot.